Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back to my channel. If you're curious why I'm starting out like that, figure it's good manners, right? Say hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I don't know when you're watching this. Could be any one of those time frames, right? So, anyways, in this video, I'm going to talk about battery terminals and just some minor upgrades on this truck. So this is an after shot of my battery terminals on the passenger side. I replaced the positive terminal clamp with an aftermarket one that was featured on PowerShow Tech Talk. It's a Dorman part number, so I really like this piece. And then on the negative side, the cable was really corroded, and there it is. There you can see it. And it's actually clean. The owners used water and baking soda to clean the terminal, but you can see the baking soda, the residue of it is like a paste. It was just really in there. So I wanted to clean that up to make it look nice, right? And then, so I disconnected both negative cables, and I also installed these battery anti-corrosion pads. So in order to do that, I had to remove the positive side cable, and when I went to retighten it, because this is a 100% lead alloy clamp, it cracked right about there. And that's what I have found. That's common in these lead alloy clamps on the positive side, because there's a lot of power going through here, right? This alloy just gets real soft, and over time, it'll break. And that's exactly what happened. So because of that, I had to get a new terminal cable clamp. Um, and I went with Dorman because, one, it was featured on PowerStroke Tech Talk. He had good things to say about it, so I was like, oh, why not? There were others out there, but this is a good quick fix, and I like it, you know. So, but you can see here the cables look a lot better, particularly the negative side. I used I think it's like CRC battery cleaner and CRC battery anti-corrosion protector terminal protectors. And so the battery cleaner spray, you spray it on the terminal and or the terminal clamp, and it'll foam. The foam is yellow, and any acid that is there, it'll turn pink. So there was some acid still there, not a lot, but just a little bit. So I sprayed it, cleaned it, sprayed it, cleaned it, and so forth until there was no more acid. Uh, and and then after that, I installed cleaned it up again, dried off all that stuff, and then I installed these anti-corrosion pads. I don't know if they work or not, but I figure it's just good preventative maintenance, right? Just good to have. Every little bit helps, right? And then I spray the terminals with this anti-corrosion terminal spray. It's a red spray. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Um, so far, I love this truck. I can't say enough good things about this truck. Um, it's yeah, I mean, it's so clean, right? And another thing that I love about this truck is that it fits in the garage. I know I've talked about that before, but man, I tell you what, I love that it fits in a standard size 20 by 20 garage. And you see here, I've got about maybe 10 inches of clearance in the front and about 3 to 4 inches in the back, and I can squeeze back here, right? That's how much room is back here. I can make my way around this truck. I am small, and so I think the average size person probably couldn't fit back here, but I can. So when the garage door is shut, I can make my way around. Um, but yeah, I love this truck. I do. I do not miss my 21. I don't miss any of the creature comforts or any of that. I love this truck. I do. Um, but because it's got such low miles, I plan to keep it low miles, so I don't plan to drive it a whole lot. Maybe just be my Sunday driver. Try to keep that mileage low, because this truck is just beautiful, and it's already worth a lot too. But anyways, well, I think I'm gonna shut it down here. That's it for this video. I still have some other upgrades I want to do. Line X bed liner, and I will add an RDS fuel tank to this truck as well as my 98. So look for those videos to come out eventually for both trucks. So, but yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.